Hiccups are involuntary contractions, or spasms, of the diaphragm muscle, followed by a sudden closure of the vocal cords, resulting in the characteristic HIC sound. These spasms can be triggered by various factors such as eating too quickly, consuming carbonated beverages, sudden changes in temperature, or emotional stress. While hiccups are usually harmless and temporary, they can sometimes persist, and chronic hiccups may indicate an underlying medical condition.